what they have in here. Oh, they still got my bottle of whiskey. I said I would quit drinking whiskey. I said I would quit for my grandkids. I'm sorry, whiskey. I gotta stop somehow. I'll just take this orange instead and eat this orange. Ah, the hell with it. Man, where the bottle of whiskey at? I got my red cup. Man, just take that orange, man. My whiskey days are over. I'm done with that. Man, this bottle is pretty big, though. Bottle of whiskey, one shot of that. Ha! Man, what? Shoot. Put this whiskey back, man. I'll get this orange. Man, who am I kidding? Bottle of whiskey, man. You ain't gonna let no bottle of whiskey stay here. Ha! We at a party, man. Yeah, what they have here? Oh, they got whiskey. I told these kids, don't put whiskey in the fridge. I quit drinking whiskey a long time ago. Nah, man. That's the old me. I just get me a loaf of banana. Try to see if I can eat some banana. Or maybe an orange. You know, that's healthy stuff. But whiskey? Nah. That's the old me. Man. You know what? A sip of whiskey, man. A sip of whiskey. I ain't addicted to nothing, man.